Hey guys, it's Sierra here today. Welcome to the Mr. Weirdo show, as you've probably seen in the beginning. um, yeah, I just wanted to introduce you to the show. I'm probably gonna be uploading videos a lot, but some of them will be with my friend Jade. Uh, sorry, I have to think right now. Um, you might see other people because we're gonna have guests, but the main thing we're probably gonna do on this is we're probably gonna do comedy and I'm gonna upload me singing a couple things. Hmm, let me think. Oh, really, that's all I have right now. I don't think there's anything else that you'd need to know. Comment, like, subscribe. Um, hmm. When you comment, comment the next title for my video with Jade, my next comedy bit. And what the subjects of it will be, like Walmart or unicorn, Facebook, all that stuff. Whichever one gets the most likes will, uh, you know, be the title and subject in here. Well, I'm gonna go. Bye. Peace out.